Are you making the most out of our next-level digital banking tools? With Bill Pay from Credit Union One, staying organized has never been simpler. To get started, click the Bill Pay widget in our online banking platform. Let's explore your Bill Pay options within online banking. First, click Add Payee. You'll be prompted to identify the new payee as either a business or a person. You'll also need to enter the name of the payee, their zip code, which account you want your payment to come from, and your account number with the payee. For added safety and security, you'll need to verify your identity before adding a payee. In order to complete this process, please make sure your contact information is accurate and up-to-date in online banking. Using your information on file, we will call, text, or email you a confirmation code to enter for verification. Once verified, you'll see your new payee in your list of payees. You can make a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. Simply click on the payee name. Choose which account you want the payment to come from and the amount, along with the frequency and delivery method. Need to complete more than one payment? Knock out multiple bills at once under the Multipay tab. By clicking the Schedule tab in Bill Pay, you can now view your scheduled payments and edit or delete a scheduled payment that is not yet in process. Select the History tab to conveniently view a summary of completed payments, as well as confirmation numbers. You can easily manage your payees and set up eBills from the Bill Pay dashboard. Begin by selecting a payee from your Bill Pay dashboard. Make edits or remove a payee by clicking the Manage tab. With Bill Pay, you can also set up eBills, a simple way to receive and review your bills electronically. Once a payee is selected from the Bill Pay dashboard, click on the eBills tab. Then click Set up eBills to begin the setup process. Next, if required by the biller, you'll be prompted to verify your user ID and password for that specific account. After verifying your account, eBill setup is complete. It's that simple. Never miss a beat with Bill Pay alerts. You'll receive an email alert when an eBill arrives, a payment is due or made, or when you add a payee. In addition to using Bill Pay through online banking, you can also add payees and pay bills through our mobile app. With a few taps and touches, make a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. Stay ahead and avoid late fees by scheduling an upcoming payment the moment you think of it. Look back on past payments by tapping the History tab. Bill Pay within mobile banking also gives you the power to manage your payees, add a payee, edit their information, delete the payee, mark payee as inactive, and more. By utilizing Bill Pay within mobile and online banking, you can simply and securely take care of bills and say goodbye to late fees once and for all. For more information and to read over FAQs, visit cu1.org/billpay.